Previously we had gray poly B water pipes, very brittle gray stuff that, anytime we come across those on a renovation, we're cutting it all out, replacing it with new PEX here in this case. And one thing, this house, early 90s, so it's actually just 2x4 walls, and the water lines actually came up into the exterior wall and then stubbed out this way into the underside of the sink. About 2 or 3 years ago, we had maybe about a week or two worth of like -10, where there's pipes frozen all over the place. So we've taken advantage, during this renovation, we've brought those water pipes back into the floor, bring them up into the floor. Now there's zero chance that these are going to freeze, had they been in the wall. So just a minor thing, but just something that we'll take care of on all the renovations. Why are there 3 pipes, you ask? We got cold, hot, and then this one goes back down to the hose bib. So once the cabinet's in here, the plumber will connect these. They get looped around, and there'll be a shut-off valve on the hose bib. That way you can shut it off, drain it in the winter as well, so your hose bib doesn't freeze. A couple other points here on the water lines as well. So now we're into, this one's the ensuite bathroom. This one, the outside wall. Again, same thing as in the kitchen. We brought these water pipes onto the interior, the inside, the warm side of the house. Previously, these water lines came in through the outside wall. So again, those got the potential to freeze. Same thing with the toilet line. Brought that into the floor, so now there's no chance of those ones freezing. And then this one, we got a power point here for heated seat on the toilet. And you see we've got the tile backer ready to go on our shower. This one, we usually cut in our niche later on during kind of tile install as they're doing the waterproofing. That way we can get the layout on the tile lined up exactly so that, wherever we cut this niche in here, our grout lines will line up. It works out nice with our tile layout. We'll show you when you get to that step. Again, protection there on our shower base. Cardboard plywood, no problem. So our drywallers can come in here and jump around, do their thing. No issue with the shower getting damaged. So then I'll jump in, I'll show you this other bathroom. A little bit different on the water pipe. So now here we've got this bathroom. This is inside wall. And this one we actually moved the toilet line from the floor into the wall. So best case scenario, you get these out of the wall because then it cleans up the floor. No issue. Less things to clean around, just cleaner setup, just better. Now, obviously in a kind of new construction custom layout, we can do a lot of different things with the bathroom, but this one, remove and replace, just kind of update everything on this renovation. So, we're not rebuilding the entire house, but we're making things a lot better, functional. So that's a little update on this one. Just let us know any other additional comments or any questions, things you want to see on future ones.